Welcome back to this A to Z AI dictionary. Today, N is for natural language processing. If your team writes it or says it, NLP can make that process faster and way clearer. So what is it? Simply put, it's AI that helps computers understand and respond to our language. It all comes down to three simple functions. It can understand, it can summarize, and it can respond. But why should you, as a leader, actually care about this? Let's get practical. It means getting faster answers, delivering amazing customer care, and finding that clear signal in all the noise. And the best part? You can get some real tangible wins in just 30 days. Imagine automatically routing support tickets or getting weekly customer sentiment reports delivered right to you. Here's a key tip. Think of NLP as a core capability for your business, not just another tool. Getting started is easy. Just pick one workflow, run a small pilot, and measure the results. And what do you track? Keep an eye on time saved, accuracy rates, and of course, customer sentiment. This is exactly what we do. At Julisha Solutions, we turn NLP into measurable results for you. So are you ready to see what a personalized AI roadmap could look like for your business? It's simple. Just comment or DM me the word BrandWise for a free custom AI recommendations report. And be sure to follow Julisha Solutions for more of these A to Z AI explainers. See you next time.